This is the Plant Yourself podcast. I'm Howard Jacobson of PlantYourself.com, well-starred health and sick to fit. This podcast is part of my mission to help you live a plantful and playful life. So this isn't a real episode. This is sort of just a placeholder to let you know to go to the website and check out today's episode because it's a video. The esteemed Kim Campbell, the culinary force behind the PlantPure brand, popped over to the Plant Yourself test kitchen, which is to say my kitchen when I've cleaned it up well enough to put a video camera on it, and made a bunch of dishes, a white bean chili, arepas, which is sort of these Mexican cross between corn cakes and pitas that have these little pocket fillings, pockets that you can fill in the middle, and guacamole. And she showed us a bunch of gadgets, one of which I promptly broke in a moment that will definitely make it into my top 10 blooper list of all time. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Kim, she is the wife of Nelson Campbell, who is the director of the PlantPure Nation documentary and the founder of PlantPure Nation, PlantPure Foods. And Nelson is the son of Dr. T. Colin Campbell, with whom I wrote Whole and the Low Carb Fraud. So this is very much a whole food, plant-based episode. Kim is a great cook, a fun person to see doing her magic in the kitchen, and I hope you really enjoy the episode. Kim is the author of two cookbooks, the PlantPure Nation cookbook and the PlantPure Kitchen. And in the show notes for today's episode, there are links to two of the recipes that she made for us on the video, the arepas and the white bean chili, and those are both off of the PlantPure Chef blog. Kim is also the chief chef, tester, and bottle washer at PlantPure Foods, and these are frozen meals that you can buy in your supermarket or online that can provide a very helpful assist to folks who want to live whole food, plant-based, and maybe don't have the skills yet or the time, and still want to eat hearty, filling, delicious meals with the T. Colin Campbell stamp of approval on them. So you can watch the hour-long video, you can check out the links, you can check out links to Kim's cookbooks, and that's all at plantyourself.com/348. plantyourself.com/348. And again, because it's so visual and hands-on that there really wasn't much purpose in just sharing the audio of us cooking. So check it out, plantyourself.com/348, and I'll see you back on Tuesday for a regular old audio episode. But before I split, a couple of quick announcements. One, if you want to become a health coach and you'd like to be trained by me, today's the last day to sign up for the final coach training of 2019. You can do that at wellstartcoach.com. And if you would like to be coached by me for an entire year of unlimited 15-minute laser sessions, check out plantyourself.com/laser. That's LASER, all lowercase. All right, have fun, happy eating, have a great weekend, and be well, my friends.